In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV into Airtable. If you have data saved in a spreadsheet and you want to bring it into Airtable quickly, importing a CSV file is one of the easiest ways to do it. A CSV file is a simple file format that stores rows and columns of data, so it works well for moving information from one tool into another. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open Airtable and go to the base where you want your CSV data to be imported. Make sure you're in the correct base before you continue, because the imported file will be added there. If you manage multiple bases, it's worth taking an extra second to confirm you're in the right workspace and project. That helps avoid bringing data into the wrong location. Once you're inside your base, look toward the top left area of the screen. Next to the drop-down arrow, you'll see a plus icon. Click that plus icon to start creating a new table or importing new data. This is the entry point Airtable gives you when you want to add information from an outside source. After that, select the CSV file option. This tells Airtable that the source of your new data will be a comma-separated values file. Choosing the correct import type here is important because Airtable supports several ways to add content, and selecting CSV ensures the platform prepares to read your file as tabular data. Next, click on the option to browse files, then locate the CSV file on your computer and select it. If your file is clearly named and organized ahead of time, this step will be even faster. Once you choose the file, Airtable will stage it for upload. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly make sure you pick the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. Then click Upload one file and wait for the upload to finish. Depending on the size of your CSV and your internet speed, this may take just a moment or a little longer. While Airtable processes the file, avoid closing the tab or navigating away so the import can complete properly. Once the upload is done, your CSV data will be brought into Airtable as a table you can start working with right away. From there, you can review your records and make sure everything imported as expected. And that's how to import a CSV into Airtable.